Good morning, children. I hope all of you are fine and safe. Let's begin today's lecture. In my previous lecture, I have explained you about apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to indicate position or belonging of a noun in a sentence. It is used either before or after the letter S. The one used before S denotes position of a singular noun, while the one used after S denotes possession of a plural noun. Let's look at some examples once again. The boy's ball is new. Here you can see boys. Boys means one boy. We are talking about one boy. The boy's ball is new. Possession. The boy's ball is new. In the second example, boy's ball is lost. Here you can see boys at the end of S top you can see apostrophe mark is there. This means we are talking about more than one boy. Child's uniform is dirty. Here you are showing the possession of a child, single child. In the next example, children's school is closed today. In the fourth example, we are talking about plural children. The two uses of apostrophe in English grammar are to show possession of a noun and to contract pronoun and verb as she will in place of she will. So, difference you can see apostrophe with possessive case of noun and apostrophe with combination of a personal pronoun and a verb. One example I will dictate. Suppose one first example, Radha's house is far. In the second, we have English in the fourth period. Okay, so I have contracted the way it's written, you can see, and Radha's here you can see the possession case of a noun. Okay, now students, I will explain you about the uses of apostrophe with possessive case of noun. An apostrophe is used before or after s of a noun to show possession in a sentence. It follows the given rules. First rule, for a noun of singular number, the possessive case is formed by adding s after the apostrophe at the end of a noun. I have told you the example, boys' shoes were expensive. Here I am talking about a single boy. Next rule is for a noun of plural number, the possessive case is formed by adding s before the apostrophe at the end of a noun. Rooms. Room already means we are talking about more than one room. So this word is your plural. Rooms walls are painted. In this case, we have to put apostrophe mark s at the top apostrophe mark at the top of s. Next rule, for a noun of plural number which does not have s at its end position, the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and s in the end. Look at the example, oxen's horns are wounded. Oxens, here we are talking about the plural number. Again we are putting here s. Horns are wounded. Wounded means ghayal. Next example is we went to the children's park. Here children you know already plural form, so we went to the children's park. Next rule is for a noun, especially the one used as title which consists of several words, the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and s in the end. Let's look at the example. The Governor of India's signature is always printed on currency notes. Here we can see the signature of the Governor of India. Okay, India's apostrophe we have written. Second example, the President of USA's speech on terrorism left an impact on people. Here the speech of the President of USA. Okay, coming to the next rule, students. Now For two nouns which are connected with a conjunction and the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and s at the end of the second noun. Example, Manu and Sonam's parents attended the PTA meeting. What we will do? We will add apostrophe at the end of the second name, that is added with conjunction and. Now, correct use of apostrophe with possessive case of noun. An apostrophe is used with possessive case of noun to show the possession or belonging of living nouns and not of non-living nouns. Example, students, Sonia's house is far away from her school. The cow's milk is very healthy. Both the words Sonia and cow are living nouns, so they can be expressed in possessive case of noun. But the non-living nouns used in the sentences given below cannot be expressed in the same way. Example, my room's fan is not working. This is your incorrect. Correct sentence will be the fan of my room is not working. So I hope this is clear to you. Next rule is apostrophe is used with possessive case of noun to show the possession or belonging of nouns denoting time, space, weight even if they are non-living nouns. A small child can't carry 10 kgs potatoes. His school is hardly a kilometer's distance from his house. Next rule is apostrophe is used with possessive case of noun to show the position or belonging of the proper noun or noun denoting a trait, profession or relationship in order to indicate a building or place of work or profession. Example, Swami Narayan's temple is at the end of the lane. Okay, we are talking about this temple by putting apostrophe as we are showing the belongingness. The baker's shop is near my house. Next, most students want to study in Delhi universities, colleges. I hope this much is clear to all of you students. Now, after this lecture, I will give you the exercises. Okay, exercises will be provided with the video. You will have to write down date and the exercises one by one. Okay, thank you students.